This is an interesting case of urinary retention. Patient is old, 65-year-old, and having the urinary retention. When we saw through trans-abdominal route by this way, prostate was not well visualized. Instead, we had to fan it like this. So, prostate, which is pushed by this full bladder downward, was aimed. But still, the good picture of prostate could not be obtained. So, I tried by this way. So, if I keep probe here, this will be bladder and aim would be prostate, which is quite deeper and can be seen on distant position in the skin. So we are fanning it from this way, and here it comes. This hyperechoic area is prostate, and two more hyperechoic areas in this region can be a prostatic calcification or prostatic calculi. So we are trying by other route, that is transperineal route. Mama वर घ्यायला. So by keeping it on perineum, it comes close to prostate and good prostate view can be observed. Here it is. Excuse me, I am adjusting depth and this thing. So see, when it is kept on perineum, these two echogenic foci can very well seen, and these are in the line of urethra. So these are two calculi, prostatic calculi. So I'll explain you. जावा. This point and this point, these two are calculi, and this whole thing is urethra, and this thing is bladder. So bladder, prostate, this prostatic calculi, and this is urethra. Can be well seen. Advantage of keeping on perineum is close resolution of prostate, and we can avoid transrectal route also. Thank you.